All right, guys, this video is going to cover how to write up the results in APA format. This is my ANOVA result from my last video. So here I have my part A, where I determined that I did need to do post hoc tests because there's significant differences. Here below is my actual post hoc tests that I did. So I need to write about both of these. Now, in our class, I have a page called Module 9 Reading, Demonstrate How to Write the Results in APA Format. Okay, so on this page, I have written directions for how to do this. Here's my analysis here. If you like the video, continue watching. So here's the first part we have to write, the statistical shorthand, right? We have to break it down. Each of these pieces tells me something about this analysis. So the statistical shorthand F because I did an ANOVA, 2 and 27 because that's the degrees of freedom. I need to know the number of groups as well as how many people were in the groups total. 8.8 and my P was less than 0.05. Okay, I got all of that information from here. Okay, now the paragraph. Here's the paragraph. It's really, really long. So let's break it down piece by piece, right? What did we do? We computed a one-way ANOVA comparing final exam scores of subjects who studied 3 different amounts. Okay, so that's going to be the first sentence. Tell me what you did. We did a one-way ANOVA looking at final exam scores from 3 different groups on study time. Second sentence, was a significant difference found? Yes, it was. Now remember, as you're doing this with your homework, you actually need to edit these. Okay, a significant difference was found. There's my statistical shorthand from above. The last part is going to depend on what your post hoc test found. Essentially, you're telling me, what did your post hoc test find? So what I find helpful to do is to do one sentence for each of your post hoc tests. So say further analysis showed that group 1 and then the mean for group 1 was 76.6. I see that right here. Was significantly different than, was not significantly different, sorry, than group 2. And then the mean for group 2 was 85.2. Right, so that tells me that pairing. What about this pairing? That pairing was significantly different. Group 1 was significantly different than group 3. Here's the mean was 91.6. And then the last one, what did I find? Group 2 and group 3, that was also less than 0.05. 2 was significantly different than group 3. Oh, whoops. Edit that. And I'm going to take that out. Okay. So those are my sentence breakdowns for my results. If you do not have significant results, you can leave off everything in blue and you just have to say what you did, what you found, and then that the students were not different. Okay, so that's how to write your results in APA format for an ANOVA.